Okay, this is DMR A number 5. This week we will be working on dividing fractions, keeping in mind that we cannot divide fractions unless they are improper fractions. So I'm going to do the reflection first. I need to make both numbers improper fractions. If needed. Now, in case you don't remember, but I'm pretty sure we've reviewed, that just means that we have to do 7 times 2 plus 1. So 7 times 2 is 14. That's changing our 7 wholes into 7 wholes cut in half. I could draw a picture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So now we have 14 pieces. That's where that comes from. Plus the extra original 1/2 that we had. So 14 plus 1 over 2, still divided by 5/8. So then I'm going to add those together, 15 over 2 divided by 5/8. And now I can start dealing with the division. And in order to divide, I just multiply by the reciprocal. So 15 over 2 stays the same. I change it to multiply by the reciprocal of 8 over 5. Now the next thing I'm going to do is check to see if I can do some easy work. And 8 and 2 can be simplified because they're both divisible by 2. Okay, so I'm going to rewrite that. The 8 turns into 4 on the top, and the 2 turns into 1 on the bottom. Okay, now I'm looking at these two numbers. They are both divisible by 5. So 15 divided by 5 is 3. 5 divided by 5 is 1. And I multiply across the top. I get 12 over 1. My final answer is 12. That's very interesting. Okay, if you need to pause, please do so. Your key concept is to divide fractions. You multiply by the reciprocal, which keep, change, flip. Push pause if you need to, otherwise, moving on. Key concept statement. I use inverse, can't spell today, operations to solve equations. So in this case, this is 4 times A. I put that little dot to indicate that. So I'm going to divide both sides by 4. And remember, a fraction is just division. So 4 divided by 4 cancels and goes to 1. So I put down my A. 23 divided by 4 is yuck. 23 divided by 4 is the answer, but I cannot leave it like that. So 23 divided by 4, I can get 5. 5 times 4 is 20. I have 3 left over. So that remainder goes on top of the 4. So A equals 5 and 3/4. Now, just in case you guys are forgetting, the reason why we do that is because if this was a negative 23, it's got to keep following itself down. So my answer would then be negative as well. I need to know how to divide mixed numbers so I can add my 7th grade mastery. That's it for number, I don't know which number this is anymore.